Did you know some epoxy resin products on Etsy sell for $50, $100, even $500 or more, and many of them can be made right in your workshop? If you're a woodworker or DIY creator looking to turn your craft into profit, this video is going to give you some powerful ideas. Welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel where we share creative woodworking projects, resin builds, and inspiring ideas to help makers like you create amazing things. Today we're exploring 10 epoxy resin products that sell like crazy on Etsy, and I'll also mention the profit potential behind them. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Epoxy River Coffee Tables. River tables are one of the highest-selling resin furniture pieces online. Depending on size and design, they can sell for $300 to over $2,000. Number 2. Resin and wood cutting boards. These are very popular kitchen items. They usually cost $10 to $20 to make and can sell for $40 to $120 on Etsy. Number 3. Epoxy Resin Coasters. Small, simple, and extremely profitable. A set of 4 coasters can sell for $20 to $50, while material costs stay very low. Number 4. Resin Jewelry. Items like earrings, pendants, and rings sell extremely well because they're lightweight, unique, and customizable. Number 5. Resin Serving Trays. Wood and resin serving trays are trendy home decor pieces that often sell between $50 and $150. Number 6. Resin Wall Art. Abstract resin wall art pieces are very popular on Etsy and interior decor stores. Some handmade pieces sell for $200 or more. Number 7. Epoxy Resin Lamps. Creative resin lamps with wood bases look amazing and sell well as modern decor. Number 8. Resin Keychains. These are perfect low-cost, high-volume items that beginners can sell easily. Number 9. Epoxy Resin Clocks. Wall clocks made with resin and wood are stylish and often sell for $80 to $250. Number 10. Resin Phone Stands. Small desk accessories, like resin phone stands, are simple to build and popular with remote workers. The great thing about epoxy resin projects is that you can start small and scale up. Many successful Etsy sellers began with simple items like coasters and keychains, then moved to bigger pieces like tables and wall art. With creativity and consistency, woodworking and resin crafts can become both a passion and a profitable side business. If you want more creative woodworking and epoxy resin project ideas, make sure to visit woodcraftingideas.com, where you'll find guides, inspiration, and DIY project ideas. Thanks for watching DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring woodworking and resin builds. And let me know in the comments, which epoxy resin product would you try selling first? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.